Short week this week. It's just before Christmas. Today's the 23rd, and nice and warm. It's about 59 degrees out right now. We've had an unseasonable week here. A bunch of rain yesterday, but the warm weather's been great. We spent today actually making a cut in the concrete, which required using water on a diamond bladed chainsaw, basically. And so having the ability to turn the water on and run water, and end of December was a plus. So. What we focused on this week was jacking. We're at the back corner here of the barn, and we spent most of the week jacking up a little bit more here, getting rid of the old sill down at the basement level, and then also getting rid of the sill up at the mid-level, at the first floor level, and installing the new sill. So what you're looking at here is the new horizontal first floor sill, we call it, sort of mid-level sill. Replicates the old rotted sill that we had to take out, and is now in, and everything's tight. We spent some time today straightening the barn out. There's a pretty good bulge in the middle of it, so we actually jacked the building up, put some what we call soap plates in there, which is metal on metal with a little bit of Dawn dish detergent in between, and actually come along the building over, and so it slides over on the metal to metal connection. So did some straightening, and excavated, got rid of all the old stuff down at the basement here to get ready for the new sill. A couple of guys spent a couple days up in the man lift getting the fascia and soffit back installed and ready for the roof up there. And we're finishing today. It's Wednesday. We're at the end of the week for us. Going to take tomorrow off, and we're going to take next week off. We'll rest in relaxation and be back just after the New Year's to keep chugging away.